we need to know? What do we need to know? Let's see. Getting started. So in our package, we just undid all of that. You take the wireless charging station and connect it to the Type-C charging cord and plug it into the wall charger. And then you place the smart water bottle on the wireless charger until it's fully charged. Boop, like that. Now there's also an app. So let's go check that out. It comes with a nice QR code. So we are going to just scan that with our little phone. Okay. And it pulled it right up in the iPhone store, or I'm sorry, the App Store. And we're going to get the WaterH. So basically you're just going to create an account and then you sync to your phone and complete setup. And so this says that water consumption data is automatically synced from your bottle to the app when the devices are in close proximity. So we got the app. We're going to open, we're going to allow, okay, go ahead and plug this guy in, get it on there. Next, set your water habit. Access to the health app, yes, of course. All right, you're all set. Okay, so here's what the app looks like right off at the start. Now we're going to just a water bottle, add bottle. Searching for bottle. Got it plugged in. Took me a minute. I don't think I had it plugged in correctly. But you can tell that it is charging. See the screen light right here? So it is charging and we're searching for a bottle and it found the new bottle. And so we're going to say connect and it says Bluetooth pairing request. So we're going to pair. Press to confirm. Press the top of your bottle to confirm the Bluetooth connection. And see it's got the blue light here. So we're going to press connected. All right, and then once it's fully charged, you have to go through, you have to calibrate your bottle, which is basically, the app will walk you through. You fill it up, empty it, set it down, and so that it knows exactly how much water is in it. So it's just a simple calibration mode. And then you are set to go. You just fill this thing up and you drink and you set your water goals and it tracks you and reminds you. Super excited about the WaterH water bottle. I love that it's 18 ounces. It's a good size. It has a nice grip to it. You can submerge it, just not forever. And it has a nice silicone loop on it. And there's no removable battery. You just set it here so it can charge on your nightstand or when you go to work and it's on your desk or what have you. And then it just syncs up and it helps you meet your water goals. So I hope this helps.